following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois State Police. An Amber Alert has been issued for an abduction in Waukegan, Dennis South. Finley, 4 years old, black female, 3 feet 6 inches tall and weighs 40 pounds, is wearing a pink shirt, pink skirt, and gold sandals. Her brother Javonte D. Finley is 3 years old, black male, 3 feet tall and 30 pounds, wearing a gray shirt, blue shorts, and black and white shoes. They were abducted this morning by their father, Javonte D. Finley, 23 years old, black male, 5 feet 5 inches tall and weighs 130 pounds, wearing a gray t-shirt, light blue jeans, and blue and black tennis shoes. The abduction occurred at 15 South County Street in Waukegan, Illinois at 9:20 a.m. Finley was last seen driving a 2006 dark blue Chevrolet Malibu with temporary Wisconsin license plates K7561C. Finley is considered armed and dangerous. If you have any information on this incident, please contact 911.